If you're looking to teach your kids about routines and time, this has been amazing for us. We've had this Melissa and Doug magnetic calendar for years now, and it's honestly taught my son so much more than I expected. It's a daily magnetic calendar that teaches things like the date, the season, temperature, activities, how they feel. And it's really helped my son understand what day it is, what's coming next, and how to talk about his day. And these are all just magnetic pieces that you can just swap out from any of the options down below. And it easily hangs on a door handle or any type of hook. It's also a great screen-free activity that naturally encourages responsibility and conversation without feeling like it's structured learning time. We've used it for years, and it's one of those things that has truly grown with him. So it's just a simple but meaningful part of our routine that's helped him build early life skills in a really natural way. So if you're trying to build more structure into your child's routine, this would be a really helpful tool to have on hand.